Yeah, every other artist last.
A few moments later.
All right. And so you consider yourself the front runner in that little group of Gage, Tommy Lee,
Stop this, stop this.
Massacre?
Hey. No, man. What you doing?
Eh? No? What?
That Lily.
That Lily?
Yeah.
2,000 years later.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
People are going and they don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. You know when I come for talk, I come for talk. Is what I try to say, yeah, man. I want Media Fox, man. I don't know. But people, because today is a serious reason that I go on, you know. See? Alright, people, when you look on the screen, so if you type in a Google, say, yo, Jamaican artists established between 2013 to 2025. See? When you see it on the screen. See? Alright. So, when you realize, you hear them talk about Popcorn, you see Alkaline, and you see Shensia, Skillbang, and Chronic Law. See? And them say, yo, Vice Cartel from 2000. See? Alright. So, people, when you see some artists are displayed on the screen. See? Because when you check it, you wonder where them artists are there. You see it? Because the only two names we see a call up right now, we have the two big fan base them, Alkaline and Vice Cartel. See? Nobody can go around that. See me? Alright. So basically, we're going to take Shensia out of it. Because you don't know dancehall is a male dominated thing. You see me? Yeah. I'm mostly male dominating a dancehall already. The female kind of limited. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man. But, people, alright. Cartel come from prison. He might do him thing. See? He might do some shows all over the world. World tour we never really do. See? Alright. You have Alkaline. Have him new rules. Independent artists are doing own a thing. Giant in the business. See? Because the reason why I say artists between 2013 to 2025. So from 2013, that's when you kind of have a generational shift. Zine, yeah, which you don't know artists will boss without certain like a bucketive. Zine, you don't know Alkaline start the pace. You see it. Majority of the artists them what did a boss back then. You don't know. They might get them Vice Cartel highlight and certain like things. See it? You don't know like Tommy Lee them and you know certain other artists. You see it. Yeah, or who did a kind of rip the Gaza thing. Zine, but look at 2025 today, people. Zine, 2025 today. Zine, so yes, people, 2025. You realize, alright, on certain levels where a two-man name I call a dancer. Zine, alright. So basically, you don't know Popcorn, Skilly Bang. Based on what I see on the list, Zane, on the Google thing, you see Popcorn, Alkaline, Skilly Bang, where I take out Shensia and Chronic Law. See, and if you realize, say, them man they were dip on the list, I rep the Gaza. See? So, only somebody when I rep the Gaza, Alkaline, is what I try to say. And for you, we are doing it from then till now. Is a lot of artists, people. Dancehall is going into a recession right now. In the past 10 years, 10, 12 years, maybe like about, you can say about, you would say about 20 to 30 artists where nowhere to be found. Like, you wonder, what them a do? You see it? What them a do? But if you realize, you will see a few artists will pop up in the scene and so. You see it? No one then. But if you realize, some of the artists them way I rep the Gaza, them kind of highlight them in a way. You don't know Chronic Law, Skilly Bang, is what me I try to say. Popcorn, Jamal, you see, Ja Vinci. Who else? Other artists, we have other artists where sign themselves to the Gaza. Zine. But look here now, people. Alkaline from then till now are the one where establish on a huge, it is just, you have to wonder some of my time because them hate the youth so much. But when you check it, yo, the youth are do way better than enough of them artists. Yeah. You see me? A lot. You see it, cause them must say, yo, massacre, this and that, this and that. But when you check it in the topic, massacre not really in the topic. You understand? Because remember when Cartel they are prison, seeing them that try push up massacre as King and Ray, but Cartel come now, them kind of box him over there. So is what I try to say. But if you realize the industry, what me tell the people, I tell you with the industry thing. If you realize that yo, the industry kinda don't highlight the youths them. Zine, especially since Cartel forward. Because before when Cartel the prison, Zine, you hear about Craft, you hear about them artists, you hear about Skilly Bang, you hear about Popcorn, you hear about a lot of more artists. But it's like, this a man forward. Remember, you know, this not have nothing to do with music, you know. This is just the highlights. Zine. And since him forward out, they must say, yo, the artists them now drop no song, Ray. But back then, when the artists them a drop song, people say, yo, this a brother here, run the place, Ray. Zine. So you realize, say, yo, the industry now highlight the artists them are really in the culture for push the thing. Is what I try to say? Especially the artists them where even when no bow, them kind of blackball them artists when they really bow to Cartel. Because remember, you know, Vice Cartel is an industry puppet, you know. You have to understand. For you see it, them only highlight everything. You see it, where him a do on film side. But you have a lot of artists right now. It's like, yo, you have to one of them exist. The only artists where them really call up and thing is Alkaline. See? But when you check it, Alkaline establish in a huge way, like you would have him show him have him team a keep all over the world. You understand? And a lot of artists were them kind of tied to the Gaza. Them not really make nothing of themselves. You see me? But don't know the Gaza fan I go come out and thing and you know them I go chat them out. But when me talk a reality, see? Because all of the artists them we rep the Gaza. Them not in a topic right now. Like what we are talking about now, we are talking about shows and certain things. Them not in the topic. You see? If I know Alkaline or Cartel, if I know Cartel or Alkaline, is what me I try to say. When it talk about shows, you see it when they talk about songs and them look at something. Because every song where Alkaline drop, them critique it, them say, yo, this, that. You don't know the hatred already. You understand? That are the thing. So when you hear, because right now, you know, people, a lot of artists in a dancehall right now, a drop song. A lot. Popcorn a big artist, but him a drop song. Right now, him man and Chronic Law by releasing music, they two right now. You see, and you wonder, what go on, like, them not tuning into the artist them again. It show you how the industry work. You see it? Where the Cartel do a bag of interview where them said this, them said that. See, Alkaline do one interview, the whole world raise pressure. All of them pressure raise up. See? Yeah, man. So it shows say, yo, the effect Alkaline thing does different. You see it? The other is artists them now. You wonder where them there. But the thing is that, you know, people. You see when the industry kind of block you out and only a highlight. Because remember, you know, them done up with Cartel say, yo, him influence that generation or whatsoever. But this is the thing, people. One man can't influence a genre in a music. You have more than one. Because remember this. Remember say, I'm over though. Make Cartel start. Sing J. See? So, you have a lot of artists in a dancehall with Sing J too. See? Majority of them Sing J. So, the influence can't come back from one man alone. You see it? But you don't know them a try make it seem like a one man I put influence on the genre, which not. You see what I try to say? Because me know say, I know one artist, them artists I even look on. You see what I try to say? Yeah, so that's why back then, when ALKALINE forward in the game, them did a try push him on the Gaza side. Like I say, yo, you know, special ratings to the money. Zine, which you have more out of them time there. You have a lot of artists. But them time them want the special ratings to go to Cartel. Is what I try to say. Which after that now, man like Skilly Bank. I remember you know, you have 2 artists from the east side where you have 3 artists. What me say from the east, you would have say like otherwise some popcorn that come from the Gaza thing. See? You have Skilly Bang, Ritical, and Chronic Law. Skilly Bang and Chronic Law, to me, when them start pin them name to the Gaza thing, them start give them the highlight there. You see what I try to say? Because you have a lot of artists where have them lyrics. Because Ritical bad like Skilly Bang too, you know. But the thing is that Skilly Bang, Ritical never to a tie himself to the Gaza thing. But Skilly Bang did that do it. So that's why them really kind of shove him out. Because remember, you know, you have a lot of artists out there who have song, you know. Like bad song, you know. But the thing is that them now go really highlight them artists. Them now go push them out. You understand? Right now you have artists in the street where pay money if you play them song, play the boys like nothing really I get pushed through. You understand? Nothing really I get pushed through. So it show you how the industry thing work. You see it? So this a man fall from prison you know. Seeing? Them start say every artist nothing now go on. Every artist stop drop song. Seeing? Which that now make no sense. The artists them they still a drop song cause we Cartel have to do it, the man in forward and around have to do it, the artists them for drop song. The artists them they still a drop song. But when I tell you now, the people them only start push the highlight on him. So whatever the other artists them did that do, seeing this now have nothing to do with music, you know. It's all about the industry. Push the industry, puppet. You understand? So it's like it's a money forward out. Seeing? And you see, because a lot of the artists them tie them brand. If you realize it always, if I know genocide, if I know Gaza genocide, if I know up top Gaza, you understand? If I know Gaza Sparta, unruly Gaza thing, all of these artists tie them name to the Gaza boss thing. So it's like that only enforce theme thing to get more bigger. You understand? That's why today you only have 2 man name really I call a dancehall the real way. Is ALKALINE and Cartel, because majority of the artists them, especially the one them with on the mainstream, tie them career to him. For example, like Jamal. When Jamal just forward out, nobody never really look into him. And when him start time name to the Gaza thing, and then you don't know him forward on the Freedom Street stage. Seeing? And him sing the song after the Freedom Street, everybody start looking to Jamal, you know. As so comes him get that breakthrough there, you know. Him did it all long, but nobody now really made him. Him with a power on some artists and every little thing. So me I try to show you how the system work. You understand? Because the system not really try to put the youth them out there. You see what me I try to say? Because remember, you know, artists like Shaggy and Sean Paul, them never really within the system, you know. Sean Paul and Shaggy kind of establish them thing. Overseas them go. Although then me still represent dancehall. Because if you every stage in where Shaggy and Sean Paul do, either them have a kerchief with a Jamaican flag in them pocket, or the DJ booth can have a Jamaican flag. Them still represent. But look here now, Sean Paul and Shaggy, not within the system. You understand like that? So what them do, whatever them do out there, that's why when Cartel forward, them say, yo, Sean Paul no do dancehall and Ray. You see what me I try to say? So, but them man there, when you check them on the levels, accolades and certain little things, Them man they think well global. So it shows, look here. If you ever stamp yourself within the system or put yourself under certain shelter, you now go reach to that level there. That's how I tell you. You see when I type in a Google, you see who for name come up, especially look on Shensia. Right now, you see, can remember Google are gonna pick up the top tier name them. So you see Vice Carter, you see Shensia, you see Chronic Law, you see Popcorn, Zine. We see what Movada do, I do. Is what me I try to say. We see what Beanie Man do. But me I talk about the young generation thing. See? Yeah, young generation thing. The shift. See? Because a lot of artists fall on them plate. You see me? And it's not because of the music where them are releasing. It's because of where the industry are push. Because before when Cartel get locked up, See? When Cartel did lock up. Alright, me I show now example. You know say when Tommy Lee did it, right? Tommy Lee have him song and Ray. See? You know say when Cartel go prison, Tommy Lee song start mash up the place. Zine after them arrest. Yeah man. So in a them time there, remember they look at Gaza thing and Ray. What kinda take attention off of the Gaza thing? Zine Alkaline forward and put in him the eyeball thing and then start push out beer music. See? But the thing is that remember when Alkaline forward is just the eyeball effect alone. But them want time name to this man. You see it, which Alkaline have nothing to do. Cause you doing something with your eye. The way them attack them say, yo, every time them see him, them time the Cartel bleach out and one bag at Alkaline. First when Alkaline just come out, him never bleach or nothing. They would just a drop bass song. Then, but them a try time name and them a say, yo, special ratings. Them time they a bag of artists are forward. Yo, Alkaline live in a Cartel shadow. Wait. Because them, they don't want to tie themselves to the side there. Forget for them highlight. You see me? Especially Massacre. I remember when Massacre forward in the game, seeing him a do him thing. But after when Alkaline do him thing, and that after Massacre get fame breakthrough, Because in them time there, the industry never really a push young youths like that. Them only stick to the top tier them. You see me like Movado, Idonia, Bounty them, Beanie them, Cartel them. You understand certain artists. So in Alkaline forward now, it kinda open a door where people say, yo, the young youth, yeah. The local youth, yeah. They must say, yo, the youth and I respect nobody. Ray. Cause at that time, them did that try shun him thing. You understand? Yeah, man, them did that try shun him thing cause they realize, say, yo, the youth and I want link with nobody, no want Ray, no want this, that. So if you know today, Alkaline still moving part and him become such a superstar today. You understand? The young generation, in a short of 10 years, 12 years, the youth accomplish a lot. Like if you check the artists them back then in them first 10 years, them never at the magnitude with Alkaline at now, in them first 10 years of them career. You understand? And if you see the youth at the shows and him show them I represent the world. Him alone, Him alone. This I know where him use some bagger artists or a big establishment in the game. Him I pull him crowd them. Him and him team. You understand? The youth create a huge catalogue in a dancehall right now where people can't forget. You see it? Stamp. Because everything that youth do, it just always have to talk about. I just Alkaline that. And the youth now, it might not frenzy or anything with social media and certain things, but people him dead him and do him thing. Is what me I try to say. But if you realize, it's so many artists from 2013, them career missing. You wonder where them gone. But the thing is that it's not because of music where them are released. It's because the the overshadow business were going in the system. And remember say a lot of artists get fight. You understand? Them try to dismantle certain artists. You understand? Stop push them music. Every little thing. You see it? So if you realize now, a man far from prison, I do be shows. Zine, him sang them when I release, not really a top tier or whatsoever. See? Massacre there, we see say alright. They might try to push Massacre too, cause you don't know. Cartel a push him, Bounty a push him. See? But he might release song, yes, but the song them not really a staple like that. When him drop song nowadays, it's like a hot moment and then after that, that's it. You understand? But it's like when you pre, like when you see like what Alkaline do, Massacre should not do the same. But you wonder why. Over the years, Massacre never build a catalogue with himself. Him do so much collab till where if him for go up on a platform, go up on a stage for perform the song them, it's like a majority when him can, you understand? When him can do, cause the bag of collab them kind of fade away your catalogue in a way where it's split. You understand? So if you know master Cartel have a huge catalogue because the percentage of when him collab is very low. Majority of single song him have hit songs. See? A so catalogue bill. Member say, yo, the catalogue business kind of start from in an alliance days, bounty thing, the collab thing, coming right up. See? So Massacre can really build. Let me tell you, that's why you see certain artists today, you will see I keep them show. And it based off of them catalogue will build them fans. Like, you will see Popcorn have him show, Cartel have him show now, Alkaline have him show, Movada have him show, Idonia have him show. See? Bounty have him show. See? But the thing is that we are going to talk about the show them where the artists them. They show them under the artist them name. See? Because we know about Unruly Fest, we know about new rules. See? B-Man usually have summer season. But from 2019, it kinda stopped keep. See? You don't know. I know say after this, Cartel have to start keep feeding. Yes, what I try to say. Yeah, you have to start keeping him on a show. See? And you have to pray the level is a certain artist. Let me tell you this, people. It's not an easy thing to keep your own show, like having a brand where you keep all over the world. You really have to have fans if you do that. You can't just have some little song and ray, you say hot song and ray. Because it's sure. See? So, in a dancehall right now, you only have to say, yo, Alka do it. Cartel. See? And you don't know, Idonia doing thing. And who else? Movado. And Popcorn. See? What we can say, alright. The money I do them show and thing. See? So, you realize that right now, dancehall thing in a recession right now where it even gonna get worse. May I tell you people, it even gonna get worse. Because if you realize from Cartel come out, it's like the thing shift off of music. Zane is all about the hype, who a link with him. Zane, what he might do in her life, I try to compare with other artists, say, oh, so buy this and ray, and this, that. See? But the music, I don't know, them kind of shift the thing off of the music, which dancehall, like 90% of dancehall is music. You understand? It kind of shift now. And it's so sudden we are from so long way. Remember when Valiant had the craft, all of these artists, where did I do them thing? TJ, certain artists, where did I do them thing? Where did I go on with that thing? You not see them no more. It's like them artists are release music in the people, but it's like, yo, the industry just put them in a box. You understand? Just put them in a box. You see it? It's like them are release some, but it's like it just not going anywhere. And it's not because of the music. It's because of it's where the industry pay attention to, which you don't know him far from prison. So it's like them only highlight them thing there. And if you realize now, in a look at dance space and thing, because the social media world different from when we just see on YouTube or whatsoever in the street. It's different. It's what I try to say. So you wonder what going like with them talk about, but when you check it, Alkaline is on top. What Alkaline do, the young youths them need to look on Alkaline blueprint. You understand? Is not a normal blueprint that. You see it? Them need to look at alkaline blueprint. Cause if you're a youth where start the game for a long while and I do this, see, trust me, it's not an easy thing. Them to look on the youth blueprint, don't watch what nobody want to say. You understand? Them not have to do them not have to do everything what them doing, but look on the journey. You understand? Build your thing, build your fan base. Focus on your fan base. No look for one trend and the bag of drama and them something. Sometimes when they depend on social media too much. See? When they depend on social media, every day I show on the face, people get tired down and even get disrespect. You understand? So that is the thing, people. The generational shift from 2013 coming to now. Alkaline are the only artist where I do it on a big scale, big level where him have him vendetta fans, like him have a huge fan base. Till him can even stretch him brand go worldwide. That's what I try to say. Even the youth not even in the social media like these artists. And fame energy are more flourish than them. You understand? If I know music, I'm shows. I just that. Music and shows. Now, you know when nobody talk about car and house and them look something because Alkaline on go focus and put out to them fans when want them to focus on. Which him shows and him music. Majority of them artists here too. Them lifestyle, them a put them something there. Them not focus on. Look here, as an artist you have value. You understand? And you have to value yourself. You can't just get up and just do things. You see, but people, when you can say no words in the comment, you see it. I know people are got an opinion, people are gonna say, yo, sugar your chat, but when you look on the music industry right now, it's kind of weird. It's a recession going on because the artists them now get highlight no more. You understand? Them a drop them music same way, but it's like them now get no highlight. And you know what too? It's because them not create that huge staple fan base where remember now your fans keep you going on, you know, same like if you have your youths and your youths carry on your legacy. You understand? If you're not no fans, you're not going to carry on your legacy, you know. Certain levels you're not going to reach. You understand? So, this is the thing. You build your own team. Don't try tie your brand to a next man. Because look here. If that brand is bigger, and you go under that brand there, and you brandish your thing, it only go brandish the man the thing. You understand? Because you, if your roof short, and then you put your roof under the next man roof. If you up in the air look for a helicopter, and I look down, nobody now go see your roof, you know. And the man bigger than you where you put your roof under, and the roof that them are go see. So you have to learn for structure and not for you want to take shortcut in the music and that's how it work. You have to wait on a turn. You understand? Build on a brand and stop attach it. Because your brand can't build with just attaching yourself. Because you have to build your own fans. You understand? And that's why today, when Cartel even forward out, majority of the artists them will kind of carry the little Gaza wave and all of them look something there and rate them. That's why today them even blackball. Because uno look as a kids to the mania, like uno under film entity. So when him found out now, nobody now go pre uno. Cause them have uno as just uno think Lily to film. So uno under film rent. That's why today the back and forth with him and Alkaline, because Alkaline have film own thing when a structure have a film. The whole of them take the right, Alkaline take the left. So that's why Alkaline over the years only build film brand. Him never try tie and no realize that is the blueprint. Uno being trapped. Uno trap on yourself. That's why today nobody now really talk about uno no more. Uno release the music, but it's like nobody now meds uno. You understand? So uno should not focus on building nothing than come out. No for uno get sent. If you try this Alkaline and it never work out, it only make fool thing kind of water down. You understand? Alkaline alone reap off of what him do today, 2025. You understand? Because enough for uno, because you never build nothing make no name now call up in a 2025 when not talk about big shows and big leagues. You see it? Yeah man, but people, when you don't know, you know, yeah man, a media facts man. You see me? Yeah man. Big up on yourself, you don't know. That is it.